Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Nadula for sponsoring this video and sending over this gorgeous V-Part Ombre Curly wig. It is actually stunning. It looks so good. I love it with my skin complexion. Honestly, all the browns coming together with my brown top, my warm makeup, I just feel like a summertime vibe in the wintertime. But if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this quick install because when I tell you it was fast, it was so fast. Hey girl, hey. So we're working with the Nadula. Y'all, how's the holidays for y'all? I'm exhausted. Today's the day after Christmas. I don't even know how I'm... What's today's? Yeah, today's Thursday, the day after Christmas. I don't know how I'm even filming with y'all right now because I am exhausted. And I even had to push myself to go to the gym today because I was like, there just can't be another day that goes by that I don't hit the gym. But I am exhausted, let me tell you that. But it's been so long since I made a video, so let's get into it. Here is the wig. Ooh, we got a long one with some nails. Ooh, we got some all white wig caps and a melting band, of course. So the wig today, you guys, it is a V-part wig. This is a curly wig. It's 24 inches. All right, so here is the wig. It is a ombre, and it has like the nice little streaks that come up at the front. Love that. These curls feel so good. Hair smells good. The curls are nice and soft. It's 24 inches, y'all. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I'm actually really excited about this. But all I know is when I put this wig on today, I don't want it to be like real flat at the top. I'm gonna need to do something with my natural hair, or maybe I just won't leave too much of my natural hair out. Let's get into the construction of the wig. It looks like so. We have 4 comb clips. They've got a new method on the V-part wig. So the wefts are underneath and it folds over for a seamless look. Yes, these give sew-ins. It does look really, really natural and flat. I love that. You have your 2 combs left and right, a adjustable strap. We have the drawstring. Oh, hold on, let me see. We also have the drawstring in the back. So all you have to do is squeeze this little bead right here, push it down, and then I literally just pull the bead back up to loosen it up. But yeah, so it has this drawstring, which is also something new that they're doing to fit more snug to your head, which I love. At the bottom, you have another comb, which is a little bit longer. I love that as well. And the cap is nice and breathable. As you can see the tracks going straight through. So it gives you a nice breathable cap, which is really, really important for the protection of your own hair. Let's just get into the color of this wig, y'all. This is so freaking cute. I'm actually really, really excited about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I've got my hair kind of styled and prepared for a V-part wig underneath this, but I am gonna try to leave out like as least amount of hair as possible and like lay my edges and stuff off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys just how quick it is to put these V-parts on, because they really, really are so easy. And as long as your hair underneath is already prepped, you can just take this thing on and off. You don't have to worry about reinstalling it. And because it's a curly texture, you don't have to worry about putting heat on your natural hair. That's why I really wanted to do a curly V-part wig this time instead of like a body wave or a straight, so I don't have to worry about damaging my natural hair. But yes, this looks so freaking pretty. So yes, let's go ahead and get into this. I'll be back in a jiff. All right. Okay, so I'm done styling the hair, you guys. What do you guys think? I think it looks so cute. The blend is decent too. It is pretty good. I did go ahead and put some layers in just to frame the face a little bit. I think it looks really good. Hold on. I think I want to do a little bit more down here. Yes. Yes. Yes, and I just finger combed the hair out really, really quickly. But look how much hair is on this wig, you guys. This is crazy. But let me show you guys the back real quick. This is the final result, you guys. I didn't even have to put no water or anything in here. I really like the way the curls look just with the little finger comb, but I do like this texture of curls. It looks so freaking cute. It was so fast and easy to install, honestly, especially because I like the curl pattern already. I didn't have to do a lot of manipulating. Look how much hair is on this wig. Like, and look at the highlights. The highlights on here is crazy. Crazy. I need to work on my blending a little bit, but I don't think it looks too bad though. I don't think it looks too bad. I just have my natural hair just slicked back on the side, so I didn't have to worry about that. So again, this is a V-part with their upgraded flip over weft. It also has the drawstring in the back. Oh, I didn't even show y'all that. So in the back right here, you just pull this little string, move the bead up, and then you take this access and just tuck it in, and boom. That's it. That's all you gotta do. It's so super easy, very, very secure on the head. Very, very, like this. The wig is not going nowhere, y'all. Nowhere at all. It's so freaking beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Thank you again, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.